October 24th, just after 1:19 p.m. Dispatch sends out the alert. A green Jeep Gladiator stolen straight out of a Little Rock. Hospital parking lot. What made this one different? A firearm had been left inside, meaning this wasn't just grand theft auto, it was potentially armed and dangerous. Troopers lock in on the GPS tracker. The Jeep's flying south on I-530, pushing 85 in a 60 zone, weaving through midday traffic like it owns the road. Then, exit 10, US 167 south. The trooper gains visual, lights on, siren blaring. But the driver? She just shakes her head no and keeps her foot buried on the gas.
72, myself and 48.
What follows is pure adrenaline.
Coming into Great County now.
A chase through Arkansas that proves one thing. You can outrun the traffic, but never the law.
Yeah, I think I got out.
Did you hear they supposed to be a firearm in their back seat? Yes, sir.
Rock up behind me. Coming up on Grand 57 Road. Arkansas, Adam Victor Union, 63 Charles, ABU 636. Go ahead, 63.
Right now it's going to be 1063.
A6, 10-4.
I'll be 1037.
134.
TBI. Rollover. Rollover. Start 1016.
Ten four.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Little Rock, driver was ejected. We have a 1016 on the way. Yeah, it's a stolen vehicle. I appreciate it.
Oh, it is? Okay. Well, that explains why it's not everybody else is over.
Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hey, can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Hey. We can clear the net. We're 1050. She's got agonal breathing. Will you restart my camera?